Shallow splash pools and sprinklers are a great way for children to stay cool on hot summer days. Children need constant supervision around water. Keep in mind, young children can drown in as little as 1 inch of water. Every second counts when it comes to water emergencies. Have your cell phone readily available at all times. Don't forget, children need sunscreen for all outdoor activities and reapply often. UV sunglasses, hats, and protective clothing can help provide sun protection. Shallow splash pools should be emptied, sanitized, and stored clean and dry. For children who are not yet potty trained, use sprinklers and other fun water activities. Follow these simple water safety tips for hours of summer fun.